Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Methode Electronics' Fiscal 2025 second quarter earnings report. Joining us is Jon, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. Jon, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Methode Electronics, a leader in custom-engineered solutions for user interface, lighting, and power distribution, has just released their Q2 results. It's an interesting report with several key highlights to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Methode Electronics reported net sales of $292.6 million for the quarter. How does this compare to their previous performance, Jon?
Net sales increased slightly from $288 million in the same quarter last year, driven by higher volumes in power distribution products for data centers. However, automotive weakness in Asia partially offset these gains. Despite the challenges, the company managed to achieve a positive adjusted pre-tax income of $6.2 million, a significant improvement from the previous year's loss.
And what about their earnings per share?
The adjusted EPS came in at 14 cents, which is a positive surprise compared to the forecasted EPS of -0.07 cents. This indicates that Methode Electronics is managing its costs effectively and improving its operational efficiencies.
Segment performance. Jon, can you break down the performance across Methode's different segments?
Sure. The automotive segment saw a decline in sales to $145.5 million, primarily due to lower volumes in Asia. However, the industrial segment performed well, with sales increasing to $131.4 million, driven by demand for power distribution products. The interface segment also showed growth, with sales rising to $15.7 million, thanks to higher volumes of transceivers and touch panels.
It seems like the industrial and interface segments are picking up the slack from the automotive segment.
Exactly. The diversification in their product offerings is helping Methode Electronics balance out the challenges in the automotive sector.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. Methode Electronics reported income from operations of $9.4 million. What contributed to this improvement?
The improvement was largely due to the absence of a goodwill impairment charge that affected last year's results. Additionally, lower freight costs and effective cost management played a significant role. The company is also in full compliance with all debt covenants, which is a positive sign of financial health.
And looking ahead, what can investors expect?
Methode Electronics has raised its guidance for fiscal 2025 adjusted pre-tax income, indicating confidence in their strategic initiatives and cost control measures. They are focusing on executing new program launches and managing costs effectively, which should support future growth.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Jon, what insights did CEO Jon DeGaynor share about the company's strategic direction?
CEO Jon DeGaynor emphasized the company's transition towards a more balanced portfolio, focusing on power and lighting solutions. He highlighted over $50 million in new program awards and noted that electric and hybrid vehicle applications now account for 20% of net sales. This strategic shift is crucial for Methode's long-term growth.
It sounds like Methode is positioning itself well for the future.
Indeed. By diversifying their offerings and capitalizing on the growing EV market, Methode Electronics is setting a strong foundation for sustainable growth.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Methode Electronics has shown resilience and strategic foresight in their fiscal 2025 Q2 results. With net sales of $292.6 million and an adjusted EPS of 44 cents, they have exceeded expectations. The raised guidance for fiscal 2025 adjusted pre-tax income and the focus on EV sales are promising signs for investors.
Absolutely. Methode Electronics is navigating industry challenges effectively and positioning itself for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market developments.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Methode Electronics' performance in the comments below.